welcome to Native GIS.
Welcome. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of geospatial data and exploring how it's transforming the way we understand our cities. Geospatial data is essentially information tied to a specific location, anything from satellite imagery to GPS coordinates. And it has become a game changer for urban planning, public safety, transportation, and much more. Imagine being able to see your city from a bird's-eye view, not just as a map, but as a dynamic tapestry of data points that reveal trends in traffic flow, population density, air quality, and even patterns in energy consumption. With the rise of big data and advanced mapping technologies, cities are now harnessing this power to make smarter decisions. From helping local governments plan for growth to enabling businesses to find optimal locations, geospatial data is at the heart of modern city analysis. So why is geospatial data so important? First, it offers a clear visual representation of complex data sets. When city planners can overlay different types of data on a map, they're able to pinpoint areas that need attention, whether that's a traffic bottleneck that requires new infrastructure or a neighborhood that could benefit from increased public services. Second, geospatial data supports sustainability. By tracking environmental factors such as pollution levels or green space distribution, cities can create targeted strategies to improve air quality and promote a healthier living environment. This technology even plays a critical role in disaster response, helping emergency services plan evacuation routes and deploy resources more effectively during a crisis. Now, you might be wondering, how does this impact me? Whether you're a resident, a business owner, or a local policymaker, geospatial data touches your life in many ways. For instance, if you're planning to move or invest in real estate, maps enriched with geospatial insights can reveal trends like rising property values or emerging commercial districts. For commuters, real-time traffic maps can help you avoid delays and reduce your daily stress. And for community leaders, understanding demographic shifts through geospatial analysis can lead to better resource allocation, ensuring that services reach the neighborhoods that need them most. Beyond practical applications, geospatial data empowers us with a deeper understanding of our city's story. It encourages community engagement and opens up opportunities for citizen science, where everyday people can contribute to data collection and help shape the future of their neighborhoods. Let's take a closer look at a couple of real-world examples. In many metropolitan areas, local governments have used geospatial data to optimize public transportation routes. By analyzing where people live and work, transit authorities can adjust schedules and add new routes to serve growing areas. Similarly, during natural disasters, cities use these tools to create emergency response maps, guiding first responders to the areas where help is needed most. Looking ahead, the potential of geospatial data is only expanding. With advances in machine learning and real-time data collection, tomorrow's maps will not only show us where things are, but also predict where trends are heading. This could mean smarter cities that adapt dynamically to changing conditions, making our urban environments safer, greener, and more efficient. In conclusion, geospatial data is more than just maps. It's a powerful tool that drives innovation and improves lives by revealing the hidden patterns of our cities. It gives us the insight to make informed decisions and the foresight to create a better future for everyone. Before we wrap up, I'd love to hear from you. How do you see geospatial data influencing the future of your community? Share your thoughts in the comments below.
Workflows. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on the latest in AI and GIS. See you in the next video.